Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So already we have seen the letter sounds of the Tamil consonants. மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். The dot letters are known as மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். Dot is called as மெய் in Tamil. So these are known as மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். The letter sounds have categorized into 3 types. So they are based on these things. So these letters are, so we categorize 6 letter sounds into hard, soft and medium. So vallina எழுத்துக்கள். Vallinam is hard sound consonants. Mellinam is soft sound consonants. Idayinam is a medium sound consonants. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. So we divide the 18 as 3 sounds. So we will see these